Alright, narito po tayo ngayon sa Lulu. Yan.
Kuha ng perang napakarami.
Yeah.
Kasi binigay na yung service fee nung kaibigan namin.
Yan. Dahil dyan gagala-gala muna tayo ha. Ayan. Masaya po yung ating kaibigan ngayon. So ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa Lulu. Titingin-tingin tayo ng mga pwede nating maluto bukas. Yeah, bibili na ang ticket. At para makauwi na itong ating kasama na 6 na buwan po siya naghintay. So sa awa naman ng ama, naibigay na po yung ganyang kanya at siya makakauwi na rin. Malapit na at makakapiling na ng kanyang pamilya. Alright, po tayo ngayon sa
Parang bawal mag-video dito, boss.
dito po tayo ngayon sa supermarket. Alright, ayan no. Nato na po kami sa bilihan ng ticket. Yan. Talagang excited ng pumili ng ticket ito mga kaibigan at pauwi na ito. Uwi na. Magkakauwi na sila.
Katarero is all. Oo, magbibigay yung detalye ha.
Yun, may ticket na.
Mga kabons, uwi na siya.
Alright.
Kita mo pa, ma'am?
Ayun, doon nakalagay 23.
May ticket na siya.
Anong oras po ito?
Uwi na. Bye-bye Qatar.
Sa isang box.
Nga pala, sa lahat ng gustong pa-reserve ng kanilang ticket, punta lang kayo dito sa PAL Travel Mart. Makikita to sa sa Lulu Barwa Commercial.
Ito yung pag-birthday sa'yo ni Sir Limars.
Ayan.
Tatlo.
Thank you Sir Limars.
Ito yung pag-birthday ni Founder.
Ayan.
Mr. Bones.
Ayan. Thank you sir. Thank you.
RSTV Limars.
Yeah, thank you. Napakabubuti niyo talaga. Hinasabi ko
At sa salamat sa Unjagger. Ginutom mo kami.
Yun naka-zoom na Tayo?
Salamat sa Boss, 7 up sa akin, boss. Ay, ito pala.
Musya.
Alam ko yung gusto mong mangyari, kaya yun, pinapataktak mo
Bright idea.
Paraan lang yan Alright. Banat.
Ketchup, wala sila.
Let's go. Sana hindi maka-copyright yung mga sounds.
Tama na sila, spoon mo. Hindi na sila nagbibigay ng...
Yo, kaya po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa sponsor. Yahoo! Uwi ang time na sa Pinas.
Inis ko sa... Tango. Yung kilometrahe ko, kasi 261,000 per visit. So, dinagdagan Hindi, kamay mo lang. Ako po ay malapit na rin umuwi. Kung hindi ako makakuha ng ibang kumpanya.
Kaya muna. Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung anong tanong.
Ililipat na po natin din sa kabila at mas mabilis na ubos ang hawayan. Ayan, kagala to. Brad, lipat po sa kabila, Brad. Para mahawan. Yo.
May hawayan pa.
Ayan. Eto, may dalawa pa.
Kaya nga. Hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng hawayan.
Pag nakasulit ko, sumasaya na ka ng kawayan. Naubos, short out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hindi kaya itaob. 2,000, hindi kaya itaob.
Iyan ko yung
Ba't yung pepperoni hindi nyo ginagalaw?
Kinain ko.
Gusto mo, boss?
Pwede
Isa lang.
pagkati-hati yan bro.
Oo. Sayang yan.
Ito eh. Dali natin, hati-hatihan natin yung flavor, tapos dali natin sa kwarto. Para makain yung mga kwarto natin.
Uwi mo rin yung...
Lima lang tayo.
Uwi yung
Diba?
para ng 4 na piraso si TG at saka si Lois.
Hindi, mix lang natin yung flavor. Tapos bitbitin natin kanya-kanya. Diba?
Boss, ano masasabi mo sa ating company nga? Napakabait ano?
Hindi.
Pang interview ba?
70% energy lang.
Ay, ay, ay,
Kung
ay,
100% energy, pare.
Ay, ay, ay.
But, salamat. At nandyan yung mga kaibigan natin, mga grupong pendong.
Anim na buwan na naghintay.
Tignan mo naman ang blessing.
6 na buwan, kaya 6 na piraso dito.
Yun, 6 na pirasong pizza.
6 na pirasong pizza. Dahil sa 6 na pirasong pizza,
Ayan.
6 na buwan na naghintay.
Yeah.
Kaya pala 6 ang binili mo sa
Anniversary yan.
Anniversary.
Anniversary, despedida, belated birthday na may hawak ng ano,
Yun.
ng GoPro.
GoPro. Bons Bahadur,
Yun, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin. At hanggang sa muli, kita-kits tayo.
Pwede naman almusal lang.
Assalamualaikum. Salamat, founder, at nabusog po kami.
Always naman yan, kaya lang talaga, ganun na yung company.
Ay, ay, ay. Be happy, be happy. Makakauwi ka na rin. Ingat.
Makakapag-change oil na siya.
Ayun,
Nasaray!
Ay, so yung sasakyan.
Ay, ay, ay.
Kasi,
Wala na tong edit.
Edit mo yan, edit mo, edit.
Na-roll pa yan, no?
Hindi, huwag mo edit, kaya mapanood.
Kaya nga eh.
Tanong ko naman ang tanong ng anak ko, ba, yung vlogger pa ba? Vlogger.
Bye.